welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are gonna make some taco, my version of making the taco. So these are the ingredients that we're going to use to make the taco. We have here the soft taco tortilla. We have some taco cheese. We have some chicken thigh. If you have chicken breast, you can go ahead and use that. We have our vegetables, some sweet corn, 2 small tomatoes, we have cucumbers, we have onion, and a piece of sweet pepper, and also a lettuce. But with the taco, you can always go ahead and do it how you prefer. You can always go ahead and add, if you don't like the cucumber, you can take out the cucumber and put it and substitute for whatever vegetable you prefer. So you can always be creative when you're making a taco. So at lunchtime now, we're gonna make ourselves some tacos. So we're gonna put them here away and show you what I want. So with the meat, you can always go ahead and add whatever substitute that you have. So if you want to make a beef taco, you can go ahead and add beef. If you want to make a bacon taco, you can go ahead and add bacon. But today I'm going to be making the chicken taco. So I have here some chicken thigh. You can use a chicken breast if you prefer, and I'm using some curry powder, Better Pack. You know my favorite brand is. So I'm going to just add some curry. I prefer to add curry. If you want to brown, you can go ahead and brown, but this is what I'm feeling for. And then I'm going to go ahead and just massage the curry in. This is already seasoned, guys. What I normally do is buy the chicken in pack, chicken breast or chicken thigh in pack, and then I just season it all at once. So I had my marinade, blended season to it, rub him up and put him in the fridge, so that when we're ready we can just pop it out, make it go and thaw a little bit, and it's ready to go. So if I want to make a chicken sandwich or some taco, just tie it out and I'm good to go right here. So we finish with the chicken. Okay, so we're gonna start cooking the chicken. So to the frying pan, I'm going to add some oil. So we're going to allow the oil to get hot. Alright guys, so the pot is hot, so show everything. So guys, depending on your family size, you know that you're going to have to increase. So if your family big, you know, so you have to go use more chicken and you have to go use more vegetables, right? So let's go leave this right here. So I'll make this one. I go do guys, I go cover it and make it go on, you know, produce it water, make it steam and all of that, so it can steam straight through guys. We don't want no raw food, so I will cover it and make it go on steam. Soon come back. Alright guys, so see that one cook down. the chicken are going cook down, we are going to start preparing the vegetables for the taco. So I just remove the seed from the sweet pepper and we're going to dice them into small. So we just have to cut up them very small. So you want them to be minced, so we are going to mince them. So we're going to mince up the vegetables. We have the sweet corn, the sweet pepper, tomato, cucumber, onion, and we have some lettuce in some vinegar water. So we just have to mince them. So with the tomato now, guys, I'm going to remove the seeds. If you want to leave the seed in yours, you can leave it, but I'm going to remove the seed, guys. Your board look colorful. I'm going to remove the seeds from the cucumber. I don't like waste my cucumber, guys. Alright, this is my favorite vegetable. I hate to see it wasted. But if you don't want to go ahead and use the seed, then you can go ahead and use it. But today I'm not going to be using the seeds. So guys, also please ensure that you wash the vegetable. I forgot to mention that to you because I already washed them. Then we have the beans right here. I'm gonna take them. Make sure your hands clean, guys. All that vegetable, good stuff, healthy. That's what I'm gonna eat this right now. show look ranch pan it and I do that. So this is vegetable. We have sweet corn, we have cucumber, we have lettuce, sweet pepper, yes, onion, tomato, good stuff, guys. Very colorful. Right, so add a piece of lime. So just squeeze it up. Remove the seeds. Just add half of it. Mixing everything. Then I know you can also add your avocado. Alright, so that's that. Alright guys, so right here I also have some Irish potato that I'm going to add to my taco as well. So just crushing it. You can see the steam rising, guys. It just come off of the fire. And you can go ahead and add some butter to this. So I'm gonna add some chiffon. I'm gonna keep on stir this and go and melt. So we have the curry chicken here. We mash Irish potato, the butter go and melt so we can mix in everything, and we have our bowl of vegetables, right? So now while this melt right here, so look at that, guys. The next step, so we finish the vegetable. We also prepared the curry chicken, and we also have the mashed potato, Irish potato that is. So next is to make the tortilla. So this is what we're using. So we have a pot right there, so with some oil I go and heat up, right? So I wait for it for hot and then drop this right in. So we're going to make 4 tacos. Why I can't wait for this done? I'm a motor run water and it don't finish it. And you see all of that cheese there melt when you bite right through that juicy curry chicken there. Woo! Now sir, hot hurry up and get hot. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up and heat up. So drop the taco right there. ready to make our taco, right? Alright. So, wanna see that? So, we have the taco shells. So I'm going to be making them. I'm going to make one as you guys watch. So first we're going to take some of the Irish potato. Okay. Take some of the Irish potato. Take some of the chicken. Take some of the chicken. Set them up. I'm going to add some of the vegetable. To add some mayo, just like that. You don't have to add the mayo if you don't want to. It's optional, guys. And this is our taco. Yummy, 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 yummy. So we're just going to repeat this process, guys. So we have one taco down. 3 more to go. Guys, said me that I go make 4 no man. Guys, our curry chicken, and you can see vegetables, cheese, mayo. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to go ahead and pop them into the frying pan and let that cheese melt. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Give the video a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Wow. So we're just
heating them up, guys, to get the cheese melted into the frying pan. But if you have a microwave, you could go ahead and heat it up in the microwave.